Getting the A new bits job could not be created error in Event Viewer. This quick guide will help you fix the bits job limit issue on Windows step by step. Solution 1. Reset bits using command prompt. Let's start by resetting the background intelligent transfer service. First, click on the search bar and type command. Now, right-click on command prompt and select Run as administrator. When prompted, click Yes to allow it. Once the command prompt window opens, type this command, bitsadmin.exe/list/alosers, then hit Enter. This will show you all the bits jobs currently running on your system. Now type bitsadmin.exe/reset/all-users. Then press Enter again. This command will reset all bits jobs for every user on your PC. Finally, type exit and press Enter to close the command prompt. That's it for the first fix. Now let's move on to the next one. Solution 2. Reinstall Mozilla Firefox. Sometimes, this bits error is linked with how Firefox interacts with Windows. Reinstalling it can help. In the search bar, type Control Panel and open it. Now click on Programs. Then Programs and Features. Scroll through the list and find Mozilla Firefox. Select it, then click on Uninstall. If a prompt appears, click Yes, then Next. Click Uninstall. And when it's done, click Finish. Now let's reinstall Firefox. Open any browser you have available. Search for Mozilla Browser. Click on the link to the official Mozilla website. Then, click on Download Firefox. When prompted, click Save, then Open File. Click Yes when Windows asks for permission. Now click Install. The browser will now reinstall and should work properly without triggering the bits error. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.